So I went to Africa, but to understand how I did all of this, we need to go back 3 weeks. Okay, we're on our way to get my yellow fever vaccination. Not really looking forward to it, but yeah, it's up the road over there. Tanzania and Ethiopia are both heavily affected by yellow fever. It's a disease you can get by infected mosquitoes. Some of the symptoms include fever, headache, muscle aches, nausea, loss of appetite, dizziness. If we were going straight to Tanzania, we wouldn't have to get the yellow fever vaccination. But since we're going to Ethiopia first and then to Tanzania, we do have to get it because we could theoretically get yellow fever in Ethiopia, then bring it to Tanzania. Okay, now we're going over there to get tested for COVID, so let's do this. Ta-da! If you're ever going backpacking for 3 weeks in Africa, this is what you might need. T-shirt, underpants, sweater, another sweater, cards zip up 4, towel, sweater, Crocs, pants, socks, bathing suit, rain jacket, rain pants, pajama pants, sunglasses, diary, bear, another rain jacket, sleeping bags, book, GoPro stuff, camera bag, Joby tripod, GoPro, extra batteries, Swiss Army knife, wallet, belt with hidden money inside, main bag, and carry-on bag. Garbage bags I might need for if it starts raining, then I can open one of these garbage bags and put my backpack in there, because if everything got wet, that would be very annoying, so this is going to be very handy. Trick to packing is rolling stuff up, is what I've learned over the years. So all of that, this is 1 day's worth of clothes. Next thing I'm doing is putting all of my clothes into these plastic bags, so that afterwards they're going to be in here, and then when I want to get my clothes, instead of having to rummage through everything, I can just take the plastic bag. I have so much space in here. I think I might even be able to stuff this bag into here afterwards. Now I've got all of my stuff packed. It only took me 17 minutes, but I think that might be a new record. Here it is, my backpack, my carry-on bag, and my camera bag. Yeah, hopefully I can maybe stuff this in the back while I'm actually traveling, because it's kind of annoying having all these separate bags. Bags are packed. Let's do this. Okay, I have all of my stuff, backpack and everything. And as you can see, it is snowing, which is kind of funny. Going to some super tropical place. One of the problems I have is I don't really want to take a huge jacket with me, so I've got 3 layers of hoodies on right now. Bus is coming in 2 minutes, and I think I have to find out a better way to hold these bags, because I got one bag here, my camera bag like this, and my backpack there. Yeah, anyway, see you on the bus. Welcome to Geneva Airport. Time for some food. Okay, we just had some food and now we're on our way to check in our big bags. And yeah, I figured out a cool system to attach my bags. I've got my main one on the back here, attached to my big one. And now we're gonna go through security. What's the point of security when you can just buy Swiss Army knives in the gate? We've arrived at our gate. It's C56, and our plane is not here yet. We got an hour and a half to wait. I'm really excited for this trip. Ready to board. It is 10 o'clock. That is my plane. We're in the plane. This is a 787-9. We get to Addis Ababa at 6 in the morning, so, and right now it's 11 o'clock, or 10:30 or so. Okay, we've picked up our luggage and looked out the window, and it is very beautiful. There's like some huge plants and everything. This is what it looks like. Ethiopia is a landlocked country in the east of Africa and is home to more than 117 million people. It's Africa's second most populous country just after Nigeria. Along with one of the world's oldest Christian countries, it was also home to our very first ancestors, the Homo sapiens, who came from the Rift Valley. Okay, we just exchanged some money. We changed it from American dollars. This is what 200 American dollars looks like in birr. Pretty cool. Okay, we found a taxi and now we're on our way to our hotel. This is the city of Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia, and it has a population of 4.5 million people. A weird thing about it though is that the elevation is at like 2,300 meters, so that's like way higher than my village that I live in Switzerland, which is kind of weird to think about. In Ethiopia they speak Amharic, which is basically the business language of Ethiopia. Many people also speak Oromo, which is a language that originated from Ethiopia and northeastern Kenya. Anyway, back to the vlog. This is our little hostel that we have. It costs 8 American dollars per night, which is pretty good. It's got 2 bunk beds, one nice window there with a good view. I'll show you that in a sec. It's got a bathroom that my dad is brushing his teeth in right now. And then downstairs there's like a little bar and so. We walked around the town a bit at the end of the day. Then I took a little nap because I was like absolutely tired from all the traveling. We had some nice dinner just now. Now we're going to bed, and then tomorrow, we're not really sure what we're going to do yet, but good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh man, are you going to want to be here for the next video? I'm going to be seeing how the 𝗟𝗓𝗏 tribespeople live their lives, going across a river in a tiny wooden boat, and visiting a circular city. All that coming soon.